Did you know that most people that buy uninsured motorist auto insurance actually are buying it for the wrong reason? Most people, and if you think this way, you're actually in the majority, but you're wrong. Most people think that uninsured motorist is there for the scenario of, gee, what if somebody hits me that's uninsured? And we certainly know they're out there. Who's going to fix my vehicle? It actually has nothing to do with fixing your vehicle. Uninsured motorist is really a safety net of health insurance. It has, again, nothing to do with your vehicle, and it pays after everything else is paid. A person may actually have insurance, and maybe they have bodily injury also, but if they don't have enough coverage, and if all your other health insurance that you have comes into play, and there's still doctor and hospital bills, the uninsured motorist kicks in at the very end after everything. So if you're buying it for that reason, and you want it, that's good. But if you're buying it thinking it's covering your vehicle, it's not. That would actually technically be covered by common collision. Another question I get a lot is, I have people call me and they say, hey, I want full coverage. Well, where does full coverage begin and end? I guess it actually technically begins with what I would call basic full coverage, where you have your property damage and PIP that you have to carry to legally drive and tag the vehicle, on top of and then common collision, which is full coverage on the vehicle. So that's full coverage, but it's what I would call basic full coverage. There's lots and lots of other coverages you can get. You can get bodily injury, uninsured motorists, medical payments, towing and rental, hospital plans, accidental death and dismemberment, bunches of other stuff that you may want or you may not want. So when you're buying full coverage, what are you really buying? The point is, insurance can be tricky. You need to find a good agent, and a good agency can help you decide what you need and what you don't need. Find an agency that has lots of companies. The more the companies, the better. Having lots of companies allows you to find the cheapest prices usually, and also because each company seems to have a niche, having lots of companies means that the agency can find something for grandma, something for junior, and something for everything in between. Almost as important as that is find a nice agency. Find somebody with nice people, non-commissioned people that aren't trying to sell you something or push you into something that you may or may not want. There's no reason that you have to deal with a snotty person that makes you feel intimidated and makes you feel uncomfortable about calling them or just asking any kind of question. Life's too short. Make sure they have a good reputation. Most agencies, good agencies, will have a good rating, a A+ rating with Better Business Bureau, Trusted Choice. If you look on their reviews, there's probably lots of good positive reviews. These are things that will help you steer yourself in the right direction as far as what an agency is all about. And lastly, make sure that the agency has a lot of experience. I've been in this business for over 28 years. Most of my people that are with me have been with me well over 10 years. We know what we're doing and we're very good at what we do. And we look out for you. So whether you go with us or anyone else, look for a good agency. I think you'll be happy if you find a good agent that will help you with all the questions you have, and I think you'll have a very good positive buying experience. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.